In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic data types in C#, how to read inputs from keyboard in C#, strings in C#, string interpolation, and different string methods in C#. So without wasting time, let's start with data types in C#. The C# contains a set of basic data types like int, double, char, string, and bool. These are the basic keywords that represents basic data types in C#. So int for storing integer data values like 1, 2, 3. The size of an int is 4 bytes, and double for storing decimal data values like 1.22, 0.44, etc. And the size of the double is 8 bytes. So char is for storing character values like a enclosed by single quotes or small letter a enclosed by single quotes. The size of a char is 2 bytes. String for storing test values like hello world, or it's a collection of characters. So a string value is enclosed with double quotes, and the size of the string is 2 bytes per character. Bool is for storing true or false value, and size of the bool is 1 bit. Let's have a look on the Visual Studio. Here we declare the data types, bool holding true, character holding a value C, and integer holds 3, double holds the value 3.33, and string for holding the value hi friends. And we have a size of method here, and this will print the size of the bool, char, and int and double. So let's run to see the size from the console. So we can see the size is printed in the console. That's all about the data types in C#. Reading inputs from C#. To read data from the end user, C# uses a method called console.readLine. Here, console represents the standard inputs and output stream for the console application. The readLine method is used to read a line from the standard input stream like keyboard. For reading input, we have console.readLine method. So the readLine is a method inside the class console. We can go to the definition, and here we can click on this plus icon to read the definition and the return type of the method. We can run the application. This will open a console window and it is waiting for the input. We can write some inputs, then it will print the output as the readed string. The readLine method will read a line of character from the console. That's all about the reading inputs. So let's move to the next topic. Strings in C#. The string is a sequence of character represented by double quotes. So for an example, the string MP quotes we can enclose by double quote. A character is represented by a single quotes. In C#, there is no null termination character at the end of the string. String interpolation in C#. The $special character represents a string literals as an interpolated string. An interpolated string might contain interpolating expressions. It provides more readability and a convenient syntax to format strings. For an example, suppose we have two variables, string name and string location. The name will hold a value Arjun and the location will hold a value Kerala. To enclose variables in the string, we use curly braces, and inside that we use the name of the variable. So this will get a final output. Arjun is a programmer living in Kerala. Now consider an example for string interpolation. Here int a equal to 5 and b equal to 6 are the two variables, and I need to print the multiplication of a and b. So I use curly braces for the expression, and the final output is 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. So this is string interpolation. Now we have to look on the next topic, string methods. There are a lot of string methods available in C#, but we only go through few of them. So rest of them you can learn from the Microsoft official website. Index of is a function which return index position of the character which is passed through the function. ToUpper is a function which returns a string with all the character are uppercase. ToLower returns a string with all the characters are in lowercase. Substring return a segment or sub string of a string. Replace returns a string that replaces its old character with a new one. Contains, which returns true if the specific characters occur within the string, otherwise it will print false. Now consider an example for string methods. Here we have a string called Arun is a programmer, and we first apply the ToUpper function, and this will convert all the string to uppercase, and we have ToLower function to convert all the letters to the lowercase, and index of function will take a character n, and this will return the position of the n, and we check whether the letter A is contained or not using the contain method, and we have a replace method to replace the letter A with V. Finally, we have substring method. Here the first argument of the substring is the starting position of the substring, and the second angle is the length of the substring. It is start from the index position A and followed by a 5 length. So let's run the application and we can see the output. In the uppercase, all the letters of the string are uppercase, and in lowercase, all the letters are lowercase. Index position of n is 3, and A is contained, it's true, and we replace the letter A with V, and the substring is started from the index position 8 followed by a length of 5. That's all with today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we can see in the next video.